So, some serious power users are ditching Chatgpt. We're going to find out why they're all jumping over to Claude.
And this isn't just a small trickle. The world's most famous AI just saw a huge spike in uninstalls.
So it makes you wonder, right? Why are people suddenly leaving a tool that everyone uses?
Well, it's not just about cool new features. It's about betting on the right horse for the future.
Okay, let's look at the companies behind the curtain. OpenAI is feeling the heat, while Anthropic looks solid. Get this, OpenAI is projected to lose $14 billion by 2026. That raises some serious questions.
Meanwhile, Anthropic, Div doubled their revenue in just the last year alone. That's some serious growth.
So what's the takeaway? Anthropic just looks like a safer, more efficient bet for the long haul.
But hey, it's not all about the money. It's about the tools, too. Let's check out Claude's ecosystem.
First, you've got Claude Chat. Think of it less like a chatbot, more like a pro writing partner.
Yeah, both are powerful for sure, but Claude's memory just feels sharper, giving much more polished answers.
Then there's Claude in Chrome. It's a browser extension that basically sees what you see on screen.
So it could find all your unread Slacks from last week and actually draft replies for you.
Okay, now for Claude Cowork. This isn't just in your browser, it's an agent on your desktop.
Imagine it pulling project updates automatically and zapping a summary to your team on Slack every week.
They really nailed it with this phrase. You can just set it and forget it. Seriously.
And finally, there's Claude Code. This thing lets anyone build software just by using plain English.
No coding skills needed. Just tell it you need a landing page, and boom, it builds it. I love this idea. It completely changes your job. You're now the director, not the doer. Okay, but what about all that history you've built up in Chatgpt? That's a huge deal, right?
Well, it turns out the switch is shockingly simple. We're talking like 2 minutes, no data lost. So here's the trick. You get a prompt from Claude, paste it in ChatGPT, and copy the result back. And just like that, everything your old AI knew about you, your style, your projects, is now in Claude. So the advice is pretty simple. Just try using Claude as your main AI for one single week.
Which leaves us with a pretty big question. What could you build with an AI team at your command?